Hello friends, welcome back. In this session, we will understand some new product that I have bought, and that's nothing but the Wacom Intuos Pro. Teaching online is a great challenge, and you can understand that it's very difficult to teach mathematics or any programming subjects without the teacher really writing something on the board and then letting the students understand it. It has to be intuitive as well as it has to be very interactive. So that is missing in online mode. So I purchased this board and this is very useful. Now I'm going to show you the demo of the way that we can use it. The first thing that I'm very happy about this board is the pen. It is very sleeky, very lightweight, and most importantly it is as good as our normal traditional pens that we use. This is cool, really cool. And it has got two options. The first side of it, the front side of it is a pen, and the reverse is a rubber, the eraser. And we have got two buttons here. You can see that here, button 1 and button 2, they serve as your right click and left click in the mouse. So we are going to use it a little later, but I have just explained you the features. We have got enough number of tips available, and they have given the pencil tips in a very neatly packaged box, and you need to just open it, and with that you will get all these tips available, and various tip options are available. You can use any one of them, and it's very nicely packed. And the best thing about the way it has been packed is the most colorful cover. It's very nicely designed, and it is packed so neatly, and it came so elegantly. That's very well packed, and that's first thing about it. And coming back to the board is very sleek. Yes, it really is. This is very sleek, and you can see that it's very thin, and it's about maximum 300 to 400 grams. That's what I believe it should be. And the options available in this board is really plenty, and you can see that all the buttons are there that I'm going to explain you a little later in the session. But to enable this board, to connect this board, we have got options available. You can switch on. You can see that here there is a switch on button, and you have another button which is having green color option over there, which is a touch mode button. You can use this entire board as a touch board, which means you can use your finger to give inputs, and that will be reflected back on the screen, and otherwise you can disable it. You can see that now I am moving my finger here. And that is enabled as a touch mode. So how do we power this up? What are all the things to be done, sir? It's very simple. This is coming up with a cable which is very neat, and it is about 1 meter long, so we can have a longer distance to be used. You can see that. So I have connected one end of it to my to my desktop or the laptop, whatever you have, and another end comes to the board. So this is chargeable, and it gets charged, and one time if you charge, it comes for around 7 hours. I tested it and it's working fine. Bluetooth mode is also supported here. You can see that it's around 90% charge right now. So we have got this kind of desktop center available from Wacom. But how do we enable it? We got to go to their website again. This is very neatly designed website. In fact, very elegant and very nice user interface is there. Just scroll down the moment you get in, select your model. My model, what I have purchased is Wacom Intuos Pro, and you get it further. You can see the steps. The first step is nothing but to connect your cable to the Wacom Pro. That's what I have done, and it's done. You can see that there is a light which is glowing here, which is LED, an indication to say that it's charging right now and it's working fine. And the second one is you have got the Windows as well as Mac support right now, and I have a Windows 10 machine. So just download your driver. I have downloaded it and I have installed it already. So you can see that the driver is available here. It's also colorful. The moment you install it, if you are using a Windows machine, it will ask you for a restart. If you are using a Mac machine, no need for the restart. That's all. You have installed it and it's all done. So what is the next step to do? Can we open a PowerPoint and see how exactly this works fine when I write something onto it? So you can see that here I am getting into this slide where I have got some content out here, and I'm going to write something here, and I'm taking my pen and I'm going to write something out here. And it's very sensitive. You can see that here. You should not press the buttons that are meant for your right click and left click. That's what I did, and that's why there was a problem. And you can see that now I am writing something here. Sri Ram, COAIOT. That's all. It's very intuitive and very easy to use. And touchscreen also works. You can see that here. I can do all the touch works. I'm touching it right now. So it will keep changing the screen just like my traditional mouse. You can see that also here that I'm pressing the buttons that are given, and these buttons are meant for right click and left click. you can see that the moment I press it, it gives me the mouse options. The right click and left click options are available. So this is very cool, isn't it? So what are all the other things that you can do with the board? We can change the color, and we can see how effective the presentation is with this pen option. I'm changing the color right now, ink color. Let me change it to slight yellow, so that you can see that this is very nice. And it is very friendly actually. So whatever I write is immediately real-time reflection is seen, and it's very good. Right, let us see the other options that are available here on the board. Now I am pressing this button, the second button on the board. You can see that. So just go through it. When you press the first button, it takes you to the desktop center. This one, that's what I have shown you some time back, where the charging options were available. The second one is settings. That's what I have pressed right now, and that's why you could get this. The third one is precision mode. So you can see that you can check the precision options. Touch is on, and you can go with the pen properties detail here. The right click, the left click, and erase. Everything is presented very clearly, and it's a very nice tool. And we have got the display toggle options available, but we need to have more than one display to go with that option. And the best part is you've got the shift, control, alt, pan, scroll options also available. And you can change the touch properties out here easily, and all those are available here, and you can try it out once you have the board with you. But overall, I will tell you that this is a very nice board at a very affordable cost and very easy to use. So charge it once, connect it in Bluetooth mode, and that's all. It's going to be very, very useful. And the best thing that I liked about it is they have given a lot of documents which are very helpful, and tools which are helpful. And they have given the caps for the pen. They have given 4 or 5 caps which are also available for the pen, and that's very easy to use. They have given very neat pamphlet which helps us in understanding everything out in seconds. It did not take time for us to really understand, and it's very easy to use. So it's really nice, and you can see that all of them are very nicely packed as well. And that's it. I hope you liked it, and if you like it, purchase it if you want. And if you have any questions on this product, if you want to use it, any suggestions as in how does it work, or any doubts on this product, you can let me know. I'll be happy to help you. Thank you.